So today I'm just going to introduce you the method that I use for tempera paint in my classroom. So this is a specific type of paint. It's dry, it comes in a puck, but it works really well if you know how to use it properly. So the first thing that we always do when we get a brush, okay, we never trust that the person ahead of us has actually properly rinsed the brush. So what we're going to do is we're going to swish, 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 swish. And we do not want to smush our brush. We're swishing and not squishing. Okay? So this is a paintbrush. I'm just rinsing. And the next place that I go is I'm just going to tap my sponge once, okay? So what that's going to do is it's going to take all that extra water from the brush and it's going to suck it onto the sponge a little bit. So that's just going to help us paint a little bit better. Now, in order to get my brush loaded with paint, I'm going to show you in slow motion. I know it's a little hard to see the bristles because they are dark, but I'm just petting the black paint just like I was petting an animal. I want to make sure that I'm petting it all in one direction. I'm not scrubbing or swirling in circles. Okay? And then I flip my brush over and I do the other side. So when I do it quickly, it looks like this. All I'm moving is my wrist right now. Sometimes painting involves our whole arm, but right now I'm just using my wrist to get the paint on my brush. So if my brush is loaded properly and my paint is the right consistency, it should be a little bit shiny, but there should be no puddle on it. If it is not shiny, then I have to rinse my brush. And also if I need to get more paint on my brush, I'm going to rinse. I'm going to tap just once, and then I'm going to load my brush up with black paint. So that is how we're going to start today. Okay. And hopefully that is a very easy step for you. So you'll all receive a brush, water, sponge, tempera paint.